In this video, we'll cover the key features and functionalities available in the Professional Edition of Mastermind. Whether you're new to the system or a long-time basic user, keep watching to learn how you can get the most out of your professional license. With Mastermind Basic, your searching is limited to genes and variants. With Pro, you can also search for CNVs, phenotypes, diseases, therapies, or enter your own text. These advanced search capabilities can help you answer questions like, what genes might be associated with a list of phenotypes? Or, what is known about response to a certain drug in the context of a specific cancer type? With Pro, searching for variants is maximally sensitive because you can search into the supplemental data. Supplemental matches are designated with this paperclip icon. It's easier than ever to find those supplemental matches because Mastermind will tell you exactly what nomenclature was used and the specific supplemental file where you can find the variant. As a Pro user, you can apply filters to help prioritize the articles list and find relevant information fast. Click Filter Categories to browse the different keywords that can be applied to a search. These categorical keywords help refine results based on ACMG criteria, genetic mechanism, and more. You can apply an entire group of keywords or pick them a la carte and mix and match from different subcategories. Within the articles list, match counts are displayed toward the right side of the screen so that you can quickly determine the number of times your gene and variant are found in each article. You can also export the list of articles returned from a search using the Export button here. When you launch a search for a gene, you'll be directed to the Gene Information page where you can see a breakdown of variants by type, read the gene summary, browse the variant diagram, and jump to the relevant papers with just a click. As a Pro user, in addition to a breakdown by type, you can also see a breakdown of variants by classification, both on the ClinVar tab and on the Genomenon tab. The classifications on the Genomenon tab include variant curations manually assessed by our team based on ACMG guidelines. Another Pro feature on the Gene page is the section for Gene-Disease Relationships, or GDRs. These are manually curated based on ClinGen guidelines and include many GDRs that are unique to Mastermind, not found in other databases. To learn more about the updated interface, click the link in this video's description to watch another tutorial all about the new Gene page. The Mastermind team is here to help you get the most out of these features. Contact us for a live demo with one of our specialists and discover ways to streamline your workflow.